We wanted to show Atlas as a new way to move a camera. The requirements are very far from any other task that we've confronted before.
Robots are there not to replace, but to augment what's already taking place. The same way that drones opened up all kinds of different ways to capture stories of the world.
For general purpose robotics platforms like Atlas, to operate inside a new use case, you need large amounts of training data. And sometimes that training data doesn't exist or is difficult to get hold of, and then you need to generate it synthetically.
NVIDIA Cosmos is a set of world foundation models that helps create generative AI, for example, videos or imagery for robotics. We can take simulations of complex environments from NVIDIA Omniverse, such as film sets, and make photorealistic synthetic training data in NVIDIA Cosmos.
Atlas can lift heavy objects in the order of 20 kilograms, hold it in an awkward position, maintain its balance, bring it somewhere else.
Atlas will fill a gap of repeatable shots and long repeatable shots. The other robots we use, obviously they're very heavy and very big, or they have to work on tracks. Atlas, I think, will be able to go into a lot of different locations.
We're really excited with the possibility that Atlas could scan locations that we've not been able to scan before, go into environments and film in places we've not been able to film before.
Thought of using a humanoid robot on set is just very unique and makes total sense, because there's oftentimes on sets where you might want to capture something that's potentially dangerous, where you want to send the robot to capture, who knows, a closer on a volcano or down into a cave.